Hello scholars, today we are going to continue our chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable, and today we will see exercise 2.3, solving equations having the variable on both sides. Means in this exercise, in all the questions, the variables are both the sides, means left hand side also and the right hand side also. So let's see the first question. It is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So here 2x we will transpose left hand side, means left hand side we will write the variable. So it will come 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. So 3x minus 2x is x. So the value of x is equal to 18. And we have to check also. So we can put the value of x in the equation 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So 3 into 18. Left hand side 3 into 18 means it will come 54. And right hand side also 2 into 18 plus 18. So 2 into 18 is 36 plus 18 is equal to 54. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Question number 2. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So here also first all the variables we will write one side and the constant one side, means we will transpose 3t to left hand side and minus 3 to right hand side. Okay, so let's see. 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5, and as you can see here left hand side 3 is negative, so when it will go right hand side, so it will become positive, means what will come? 5t minus 3t is equal to minus 5 plus 3. 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t and minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2 upon 2. So the value of t is equal to minus 1. Hence t is equal to minus 1 is the required solution. Now check your result. So here in place of t we will write minus 1. So first see the left hand side. 5t minus 3. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus 3. This is equal to the minus 8. Right hand side 3t minus 5. So 3 into minus 1 and minus 5. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 5. This is equal to the minus 8. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 3. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So we have 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So here also variables we will write one side and the constant we will write one side. So first transposing 3x left hand side. So it will come 5x minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 5. 5x minus 3x is 2x. So 2x plus 9 is equal to 5. Now transposing 9 to right hand side. It will come 2x is equal to 5 minus 9. Means 2x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 upon 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 2. So now check also. So left hand side in place of x we will write minus 2. So 5x plus 9. So 5 into minus 2 plus 9. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 9 is equal to minus 1. Right hand side 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3 into minus 2. So 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Now let's see number 5. It is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So first we will transpose x to left hand side and 1 to right hand side. So it will come 2x and plus x is equal to 14 plus 1. So 2x plus x is 3x and 14 plus 1 is 15. So 3x is equal to 15 means x is equal to 15 upon 3 means x is equal to 5. Hence x is equal to 5 is the required solution. Now let's check the answer. So first we will put here x is equal to 5. So see the left hand side. 2x minus 1. 2 into 5 minus 1. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now right hand side also 14 minus x. So 14 minus 5. This is 9. So both the sides answer is coming 9. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence verified. Next question number 6. It is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 in bracket x minus 1 plus 7. So first we will open the bracket. So left hand side the same thing will come. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x and 7 minus 3 is 4. So plus 4. Now transposing 3x to left hand side and 4 to right hand side. 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. So 8x minus 3x is equal to 5x and 4 minus 4 is 0. Means x is equal to 0 upon 5, or we can say x is equal to 0. Means x is equal to 0 is the required solution. Now let's check also. First the value of x we will write left hand side. So 8x plus 4 means 8 into 0 plus 4. So it will come what? 0 plus 4 means 4. And right hand side in place of x again write 0. So 3 in bracket 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1 only. Okay. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7 and phi is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. Means left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Let's see question number 7. X is equal to 4 upon 5 in bracket x plus 10. See the solution. So here x is equal to 4 upon 5 in bracket x plus 10. See right hand side, the denominator 4 upon 5, the denominator is 5. So this 5 we will transpose left hand side. Okay. So it will come 5 into x is equal to 4 in bracket x plus 10. So 5x is equal to 4 into x is 4x and plus 4 into 10 is 40. Now this 4x we will transpose left hand side. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. So 5x minus 4x, this is equal to the x. So x is equal to 40. Means this is the required solution. Now see the check also. Means here the value of x we will write 40. So see the left side. This is given x only. Okay. So x is equal to 40. Now right hand side 4 upon 5 in bracket in place of x 40 will come. So 40 plus 10. Okay. 40 plus 10 is 50. 4 upon 5 into 50. So 5 into 50 we can cancel 10 times. So what is left? 4 into 10. 4 into 10 is 40. So 40 is equal to 40. Means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Now see the question number 9. 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. So here variable we will write one side. So y we will transpose left hand side and 5 upon 3 to right hand side. So the equation will come 2y plus y is equal to 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. So 2y plus y is 3y. Now right hand side, both the denominators are 3. Okay, so we will write 3 and 26 minus 5 is the numerator. So 26 minus 5 is 21. Means 21 upon 3. 21 upon 3 is equal to the 7. So 3y is equal to 7. Means y is equal to 7 upon 3. Okay. Now let's see the check. Here left hand side in place of y we will write 7 upon 3. And same as right hand side also in place of y we will write 7 upon 3. So 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3, this is equal to the 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. So this 2 into 7 is equal to 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 minus 7 upon 3. Left hand side 14 plus 5 upon 3 and right hand side 26 minus 7 upon 3. So 14 plus 5 is 19 upon 3 and right hand side also 26 minus 7 is 19 upon 3. Means left hand side equal to the right hand side. Hence verified. Now see the question number 10. 3m is equal to 5m. So this 5m we will transpose left hand side. So it will come 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. 3m minus 5m is minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now transposing minus 2 to right hand side. It will come m is equal to minus 8 upon 5 divided by minus 2. Means we can write it minus 8 upon 5 into 1 upon minus 2. So this will come 4 upon 5 because minus and minus will cancel and 2 4s are 8. So m is equal to 4 upon 5. Now let's see the check also. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. This is the equation. In this equation, putting m is equal to 4 upon 5. So 3 into 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. So 3 4s are 12 upon 5. And here right hand side 5 4s are 20 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. So here denominator is 5 only. So it will come 5 and numerator is 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 is 12. So 12 upon 5 is coming both the sides. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. So scholars, your exercise 2.3 completed. Now let's see the exercise 2.4. Now the question number 1 is, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of what is the number? Let's see the solution. So first, let the number be x. Now, according to given question, she subtracts 5 upon 2 from the number, means x minus 5 upon 2. And then she multiplies the result by 8, means multiply by 8. So the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought, means 3 times of x. This is equal to the 3x. So the equation is what? 8 in bracket x minus 5 upon 2 is equal to 3x. So 8 into x is 8x and 8 into 5 is 40. 40 upon 2. 40 upon 2 is 20 is equal to 3x. Now transposing 3x to left hand side and minus 20 to right hand side, we obtain 8x minus 3x is equal to 20, means 5x is equal to 20. Now dividing both sides by 5, we obtain x is equal to 20 upon 5, means x is equal to 4, means the number is what? 4. Now see next question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So let's see the solution. So the number be x and 5x. Now according to the question, 21 is added to both the numbers. Okay, means both the side we have to add 21. Then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. Means now the equation will come 21 plus 5x is equal to 2 in bracket x plus 21. So 21 plus 5x is equal to 2x plus 2 into 21 is 42. Now transposing 2x to left hand side and 21 to right hand side, we obtain 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 21. Now dividing both sides by 3, we obtain x is equal to 21 upon 3, means x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 means 5x is what? 5 into 7 means 35. So the numbers are 7 and 35. Now let's see the next question number 3. Now the question is, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? Let's see the solution. So let the digits at tens place and ones place be x and 9 minus x. Okay, if one is x, so the another one is what? 9 minus x. So original number is what? 10x plus 9 minus x. Okay, so what will come? 10x minus x and plus 9. So 10x minus x is what? 9x plus 9. Now according to the question, on interchanging the digits at ones place and tens place will be x and 9 minus x. Therefore, new number after interchanging the digits, this is equal to the 10 in bracket 9 minus x and plus x. So it will come what? 90 minus 10x plus x. So 90 minus 9x according to the given question. New number is equal to original number plus 27. So the new number is what? 90 minus 9x and the original is what? 9x plus 9, and here we have to add what? 27. So 90 minus 9x is equal to 9x, and plus 9 plus 27 is what? 36. Now transposing 9x to right hand side and 36 to left hand side, we obtain 90 minus 36, and right hand side it will come 9x plus 9x means 18x. So 54 is equal to 18x. Now dividing both sides by 18, we obtain x is equal to 54 upon 18, means x is equal to 3. If x is 3, so the another number is what? 9 minus x, means 9 minus 3, this is 6. So the digits at tens place and ones place of the number are 3 and 6. So the two digit number is 9x plus 9, means 9 into 3 plus 9. This is equal to the 36. Now let's see question number 5. Shobo's mother present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of this mother's present age. What are their present ages? Let's see the solution. Let Shobo's age be x years. So mother's age will be 6x. Okay. So now according to the question, after 5 years, that Shobo's age, this is equal to the mother's present age upon 3, because it is give 1/3. Okay. So that Shobo's age is what? X plus 5. After 5 years, it will come what? X plus 5. And present age of mother is what? 6x upon 3. So x plus 5 is equal to 6x upon 3 is what? 2x. Now transposing x to right hand side, 5 is equal to 2x minus x, means 5 is equal to x. If x is 5, so 6x is what? 6 into 5 means 30. So therefore the present age of Shobo and Shobo's mother will be 5 years and 30 years. See the question number 6th. Question is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4 at the rate rupees 100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Let's see the solution. Let the common ratio between the length and breadth of the rectangular plot be x. So the length and breadth of the rectangular plot be 11x and 4x. So the perimeter formula is 2 in bracket L plus B. So 2 L value is 11x and B value is x. So 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 into 2 is 30x. It is given that the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 100 per meter is 75,000. Means in the perimeter we will multiply 100. So it will come what? 75,000. So 100 into 30x is equal to 75,000. 100 into 30 is 3000x is equal to 75,000. Now dividing both sides by 3000, we obtain what? X is equal to 75,000 upon 3000. Means length is what? So x will come 25. Means length is what? 11 into 25. It is 275 and breadth is 4 into 25 means 100. So the dimensions of the plot are 275 meter and 100 meter. Okay. Question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his grandchild. daughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. See the solution. Let the granddaughter age be x. So grandfather age will be 10x because he is what? 10 times older. Okay. So according to the question, grandfather age is equal to granddaughter's age plus 54. Means the equation will come 10x is equal to x plus 54. Means what? Transposing x to left hand side, what will come? 10x minus x is equal to 54. Means 9x is equal to 54. So the value of x is what? 54 upon 9 means 6. So granddaughter age is 6 years and the grandfather age will be 10 into 6 means 60 years. Now come to the last question, number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So let Aman's son's age be x years. So Aman's age will be 3x because 3 times, okay. So 10 years ago means 10 years before their age was what? X minus 10 and 3x minus 10, okay. Now according to the question, 10 years ago Aman's age is equal to the 5 times Aman's son's age 10 years ago. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 in bracket what? X minus 10. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 10. So transposing 3x to right hand side and 50 to left hand side, we obtain 50 minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 3x. So 50 minus 10 is 40 and 5x minus 3x is what? 2x. Now 40 upon 2 is equal to x, means x is equal to 20. So Aman's son's age is what? 20 years. So Aman's age is what? 3 into 20 means 60 years. So scholars, your exercise 2.4 completed. For worksheet, you can see the link given in the description box. So stay at home and stay safe.